How to verify an app on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. Today in this video I'll guide you how you can verify an app on an iPhone. Well, to verify an app on an iPhone, simply go ahead and open up settings. Once you open up settings, scroll down and head into general option. Once you're on the general here, scroll down and looking for the option VPN and Device Management. Once you tap on it here, any apps that you have installed from external source, you'll find it here. Simply tap on the app and then tap trust next to the app name to allow its uses. This is usually triggered when downloading an app from a list recognized developer or a work or school account. Now, this is how you can easily verify an app on iPhone. Now, what you'll have to keep in mind is that any apps that you download from Apple Store is already trusted and you wouldn't have to go through these steps. So if you only download the apps from external sources, then you'll have to go through these steps. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.